Okay, guys, we are here back at another property I was working on before. I'll put the video like right here somewhere of the demo I was doing. So this is the third bathroom that we're working on. This is the massive bathroom that I'm working on, and we're demoing it. So I didn't record when I removed the mirror that was right here, or the vanity I just took out of, because you can see in the last video, same concept. But this one's different because now we have a jet bathtub, or it says jacuzzi actually. So it says jacuzzi. So I had to take the vanity out first in order to see what's going on. So this is fiberglass. So I'm gonna use my saw to cut this. I already unplugged the pump right there. The thing, and it looks like there's a leak. And the owner did say she had a leak about 3 or 4 days ago. So the thing that's going to be a challenge is getting over there to shut off the water right here, because the water's still on. So I'm going to have to cut off the water to the house. I'm going to have to cut my way over there and disconnect everything right there. And see actually where this leak is coming from. But yeah, it's a process. So I'm about to go to Home Depot, get some stuff, some supplies to protect the floor, and some construction bags to put the stuff in. And I'll record of me, taking this tub out. All right, we have found a leak. So I'll open this up right here. I saw that there's water leaking right here, but when you turn the water on, nothing comes on. But after you fill it up, it's coming from those two pipes, because you see it leaking right here. All right. So, got the floor done in here too. Looks like there maybe had been a leak in the toilet area, because the backer board, or hardy back, came up with it, and you can see how there's like some wet spots. So now I'm gonna start working on the tub. I'm not gonna take the towel off first. I'm actually gonna, since the faucets are on that side, I'm gonna get my angle grinder. I'm gonna cut a square in here so I can see the pipes, and so I can shut them off properly. I'm gonna turn the water off to the house. Then I'm gonna open this up, and then I'm gonna see if they have an angle stop or not. I'm guessing they probably don't, but we'll find out once I open that up. And then once I get that shut off, I'll start taking this down, and then take the work on the breaking up the tub and taking it out. And then we're gonna add a light over the tub. And I think that's it. The light. Oh, we're gonna change this light also. And I think that'll be it for the job. Somebody else is coming in and installing the toilet. Install the new toilet, install the new bath. I'm not sure if they can put a bath or a shower in here. And the vanity. The vanity's already came in. It's huge too. There's a new light coming here. She wants a black and gold theme, so she wants to leave this with these also. But yeah, let me get my angle grinder. We're gonna start on here. Okay, I don't know why the video stopped, but I cut the hole out so I can see where the pipe runs, or the supply lines run. So they go right there. They run that way, in there, and they go somewhere in here, and I think they go down. And I think below this, actually I do know, below this is the kitchen. So I think what I might have to do is I'm going to turn the water off to the whole house. I'm going to have to cut these and cap them off. Solder it and cap them off. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. I could also put angle stops on them, cut them off so I don't have to solder. I would just cut them, put angle stops on them, like compression fittings, and I think that'll work. So, yeah. I see the drain. I'm not sure this is the drain pipe or vent pipe, because it goes up, and then this black. I'm talking about this black ABS pipe right here. I don't know what this is for. There's the overflow. I've already unhooked this or untightened it. And then, oh, that's what it is. That's a light right there. That there, you can't see it, but there's just silver pan there. Let me get the light on. All right, this is better. So I don't know where this pipe goes to. It runs up the wall. So I'm glad I didn't like bash this wall in. I'm just gonna have my helper, who's coming later, to unscrew it all. And then that silver thing right there, that's a can light. So that's a fixture right there. We're right over the kitchen. So that's what that is. And that's where the overflow goes to, and let's see. Oh, then it goes to the right. Okay. I see where you have. Okay, I see. That's interesting. Oh, that's the P-trap right there. P-trap, and then it goes to the right, and then down. Okay. So I'm just trying to see when I cut this up where to be careful at. And I think I'm just gonna start right here at this side. Just cut this in pieces. Bam, bam, bam. And I do have to watch out for this wire. This is a live wire right here. But I don't think I'm gonna cut too far down. But when I do get to this spot, I'm just gonna be careful right here. Just put this just to the side like this. So yeah, let's start. All right, so I got my Sawzall. This is the Jacuzzi pump. And I'm using this type of blade on it. It's for cutting wood and some metal, like nails. But it cuts through it like butter. This is fiberglass, so you see right here, like this is all like wood, like meshed together and stuff with plaster on it. So it's cutting through it pretty good. All right, we're cleaning up now. And all I gotta do is I installed this recessed light right there in the toilet bathroom. Now I gotta put it right here, and I didn't know there's a stud right there, but these are supposed to be able to fit in there if there's a stud in the way. So we're about to see. If not, I might have to get a different one. Yeah, because the clips go on each side, left and right, and this is probably just as thin that could fit right flush with the drywall. And now I have to get a wire and run it from here to here. And what I think we're going to do, there's an attic right in there. You can't see because of the sheet. There's an attic in there. I'm going to get in there, and hopefully I can go walk this way, get the wire, and run it that way. We'll see.